Welcome to day 23 of our HTML Mastery Course 2026. So today we are learning one of the most important topic in modern web development, HTML performance optimization. So a fast website provide a better user experience, improve SEO ranking, reduce bandwidth uses and increase user engagement. So today we will cover three essential optimization techniques: image optimization, lazy loading and asset management. So by the end of this lesson you will know how professional website load faster and perform better on both desktop and mobile devices. Now let's learn about image optimization. Image optimization is the process of reducing image file size while maintaining good visual quality. So this helps website load faster, consume less bandwidth and improve overall performance. So image optimization involves choosing the correct image format, compressing images, resizing image appropriately, using modern format like WebP and implementing the lazy loading. So let's take the example. Let's discuss. So this is the unoptimized image. This image has a large file size, loads slowly, uses more internet bandwidth and reduced website performance. And this one is optimized image. The WebP format provides smaller file size, maintain image quality and load much faster and improve website speed. And this is the dimension setting: width 600 and height 400. Prevent layout shifts, improve page rendering and provide a better user experience. And lazy loading, this tell the browser to load the image only when needed. So some best practice: use WebP whenever possible, compress the image before uploading and resize images to the required dimension and add width and height attributes, and use the lazy loading for large pages. Now let's learn about lazy loading. Lazy loading is a technique where images, videos and other resources are loaded only when they become visible on the user screen. So instead of loading everything at once, the browser loads content only when necessary. So this helps improve page speed, reduce initial load time, save bandwidth and improve user experience. So let's take the example. Lazy loading. This enable lazy loading. When the page load, only visible image load immediately. Hidden image remain unloaded. As the user scroll, the browser automatically load the upcoming images. Performance remain fast. So some advantages of lazy loading: faster page loading, better website performance and reduce server request and lower bandwidth consumption, and also improve user experience. So some real example: website like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Amazon use lazy loading to load images and content only when users scroll. Now let's learn about asset management. Asset management is the process of organizing, storing, optimizing and loading website resources such as images, CSS file, JavaScript files, fonts, icons. So proper asset management improve website performance, project organization, maintainability and also scalability. So this is the complete project structure. Here is the folder of first project. Then inside in a project folder we have a two file. One is the HTML file, index.html, and the second one is assets. Then inside the asset folder, images, CSS and Java and JS file. Then inside an image we have a two file, logo.png and hero.jpg, and then CSS all the CSS file and JS all the JavaScript file. So let's take the example, and in this example we learn how we can manage these assets inside an HTML code. So here is load the external CSS from the CSS folder. Here is the asset folder, then the CSS, then inside the file any CSS folder. So it's load the external CSS from the CSS folder, then the image src and then the asset folder, then the image folder, and then inside an image folder is logo.png. So it's load image from the image folder. Same has a hero image. Keep all website images organized. Then the JavaScript file. So first the asset folder, then the JS, and then script.js file. So it's load the JavaScript from the JS folder. So some best practice of assets management: keep images inside images folder, keep CSS inside CSS folder, keep JavaScript inside JS folder, and use meaningful file names. Minify the CSS and JavaScript file and compress the images, and use browser cache and maintain a clean folder structure. Today you learn image optimization, lazy loading and asset management. So this technique help create faster websites, better user experience, improve SEO ranking, reduce bandwidth usage and professional quality web application.